So now let's see how we can work around with the diffuse effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and work around with the diffuse effect, first of all, you need to go around and import out a picture right here to apply the effect to. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and then import out, let's say for example, this particular image right here. So once I go ahead and do that, in order to apply the diffuse effect, you need to go around onto the effects menu, then go around over here onto the camera section right here under effects, and over here you can see that diffuse is an option. So if I were to go around and click on this right here, then what you can see is the level of the diffuse right here. You can increase out the diffuse level right here just like this, or decrease it out as you want right here. So not much changes is seen right now as I'm zoomed out, but let me just go ahead and then zoom in right here. And as I change around the level, you can see that everything is actually sharp right here. But if I were to go and actually go ahead and diffuse, then just like in a camera, you can see that it softens out the edges right here of the sections of the image right here, and then you get more like a blurred effect, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the diffuse effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.